Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete wallpapers on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for future videos. Now let's back to the video. For example, I'm going to settings, then click on wallpapers, and there are a bunch of wallpapers right here. I want to delete it. Now, how you can do that? For that, just swipe down your notification panel from your laptop corner. Now hold on this. All the wallpaper will be here. What you need to do if you want to delete this wallpaper, just swipe up on this and here you will see a delete option. Click on delete and here you will see delete this wallpaper. Click on this and your wallpaper will be deleted. Same for the second one, swipe up, click on the delete icon and then click on delete this wallpaper. And now the wallpaper will be gone from here in wallpaper. And this was a quick video how you can delete wallpapers on iPhone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.